This dance is called Dance Where You Have a Chance. It's a 32 count, 2 all, improver level line dance with 3 tags and 1 restart. So you're starting on the left foot. You're going to do 2 hip bumps to the left, bump, bump, 2 hip bumps to the right, bump, bump. Your weight will actually then revert back onto your left. You'll go into a jazz box, crossing the right and the left, step back on the left, right to the side, left beside your right. That set of steps once more. Hip bumps up on the left. 7, 8, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close. Now the choreographer has actually said when you do your hip bumps, you can actually wipe your hand or brush your fingers over your shoulder. So as you bump to the left, you brush your hand over your right over the left, and as you bump to the right, you brush your left over the right. So optional styling steps should you wish to put those in. Then step the right to the side, hold on the and count, you're going to bring the left beside the right, step the right to the side again. Turn yourself 1/8 of a turn to the left as you rock back on that left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left. So maintain this diagonal as you then shuffle forward on the right. That set of steps once more then, side hold and side off on the right. 7, 8, side hold and side back, rock, step, right shuffle. Add that to the top. Hip bumps up on the left. 7, 8, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side, hold and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. Into a left coaster step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, shuffle half a turn over your right shoulder, quarter close, quarter. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock coaster off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle. Add that to the top. Hip bumps up on the left. 7, 8, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side, hold and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle. Cross rock, left over right, recover, on the and count, you're going to bring the feet together and square yourself up to the 3 o'clock wall. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on the left, into a little vine, stepping the right to the side, cross the left over, right to the side, cross the left behind. Then add on a sailor quarter turn with a cross. So behind, making that quarter turn right, side, cross. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock switch off on that left. 7, 8, cross, rock and cross, rock and cross, and behind, sailor, cross. End of dance when you get to that point, let's put it all together. Hip bumps on the left. 7, 8, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side, hold and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, rock and cross, and behind, sailor, cross. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Hip bumps up on the left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Hip bumps on the left. 7, 8, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side, hold and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, rock and cross, behind, centre, cross, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, rock and cross, and behind, sailor cross. Now there are 3 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Your first 2 tags, quite simply, is a hip bump left, right. And those come at the ends of walls 1 and 3. So you will be facing 6 o'clock and you'll do your hip bump left, hip bump right, and then you restart with your 2 bumps to the left, 2 bumps to the right. So let's just do wall 1, add on the tag, and restart the dance so you can see how that fits in. Hip bumps off on the left. 7, 8, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, rock and cross, behind, sailor turn, bump, 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 jazz box. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. It's just 2 extra hip bumps, 1 left, 1 right, and then you go into your 2 left, 2 right hip bumps. Walls 1 and 3 ends up. Now your other tag and restart come on wall 7 after 8 counts. So wall 7 will be, again, your 12 o'clock wall. You will dance the first 8 counts. So you'll do your hip bumps, you'll do your jazz box, and then you hold for 8 counts, and then you restart the dance. So wall 7, here we go, hip bumps off on the left, 7, 8, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, leg restart, bump, 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 jazz box. So 8 counts, hold, just pause where you are and then restart the dance. So that is it. That is your dance. That is your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to very music.
Dear down and broken hearted, heard that your life's been hearted. You lose that sparkle in your eyes. I don't know what it is that keeps you from smiling like you used to. I wanna see you coming back.
5, 6, 7, 8. Bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, rock and cross, behind the sailor cross, tag, bump, 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 cross, back, side, close, side and side, back, rock, step, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, rock and cross, and behind, sailor cross, bump, side, forward rock, 5,
find a song, feel the beat. Come on, honey, move.
full drop, cross rocks,
Dance, dance while you have the chance. Sway to the beat in your chest. Life is only just a moment, make the moment last. And dance, dance while you have the chance. And dance, dance while you have the chance. Sway to the beat in your chest. Life is only just a moment, make the moment last. And dance, dance while you have the chance. Dance,
next
dance
tackle,
while you have the chance.
bump, 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 bump. Hope you managed that one.